In this video, I will show you how to add home button on iPhone screen. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the settings on your iPhone. From here, you want to scroll down a bit and press onto accessibility. Then what you need to do is come down to the physical and motor section and press the top option, which says touch. Next, what we need to do is come up to the top and you're going to see an option for assistive touch. What you want to do is press onto this and turn the switch on. And by doing this, as you can see, we're going to get this little kind of button, which we can move around by pressing and holding onto the button. And we can move this anywhere we want on our iPhone screen. Now, to set this to be a home button, so when you press it, it's going to take you back to your home screen. On this screen, you can see underneath custom actions, we've got single tap, double tap, and long press. So what you want to do is select the option that you want to do to take you back to your home screen. So say, for example, we just wanted to tap the button to take us back to our home screen. What I would do is select the single tap action just here. And what we're going to do is select home from here. So now what we can do is come back and we can give this a try by pressing the assistive touch button. And as you can see, by touching this, it's going to take us back to our home screen. It does stay there all the time. So whenever we're using any apps or anything, if we just simply press this button, it's going to take us back to our home screen. So that's how to add home button on iPhone screen. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.